Okay, here we go. Just a quick rundown on this side. Kind of hard to climb up here without falling off. Okay. There'll be a battery here soon. Cute little thing. Should have plenty of torque though, I'm assuming so. You got a high-low, 4-wheel drive engagement, 3-speed transmission, 3-speed PTO. Over here you have your hitch for the back, the hydraulic. And I'm still kind of tired. I need a cup of coffee. But overall, looks pretty good shape. Grease fittings galore, like the old military truck. I love that. So anyway, I'm done. I'll do better next time, I promise.